The following instructional video is designed to make the installation of the Energy Guard retrofit kit both simple and efficient. Be certain before climbing into the dock leveler pit or doing any maintenance or repair under the dock leveler that the maintenance strut and lip lock are securely pinned in place and the power is disconnected and properly tagged or locked off. The Energy Guard system must be installed on a dock leveler with brush weather seal. Remove any existing weather seal and channel. Then install the new brush weather seal included with the kit as shown here. After the brush weather seal is installed, proceed to install the side bulb seals. Please note, the length of the front vertical bulb seal for all dock levelers is 5.5 inches. The length of the upper and lower horizontal bulb seals vary depending on the length of the dock leveler. To install the side bulb seals, insert aluminum strips into the bulb seal pockets before mounting to the dock leveler. The length of the aluminum strips and bulb seals should match. Next, from under the dock leveler, slide the toe guards up to the underside of the ramp plate. Trace the path of the front edge, the edge closest to the lip, of the toe guards. Once the toe guards are up and resting against the underside of the ramp plate, trace the upper edge of the toe guard. The outlined areas that you have determined must not contain any Tek screws, as it will impede the operation of the toe guards and dock leveler. Any screws protruding in this area need to be trimmed back to prevent interference with the moving toe guards. As noted, the sliding or lower toe guards must be mounted to the inside of the fixed or upper toe guard for the Energy Guard retrofit kit to function properly. Finally, inspect curb steel and pit walls for any sharp edges. Remove if found. Please be aware the dimensions shown are guidelines only and will vary slightly depending on the age of the dock leveler. The proper sequence for installing the side bulb seals on Serco and Rite-Height brand dock levelers are: first, install the front vertical seal. Use 2 Tek screws provided in the hardware kit. The mounting strip should be oriented toward the lip and should be flush with the header. Next, install the upper bulb seal. Use a minimum of 4 Tek screws provided in the hardware kit. The mounting strip should be oriented up toward the ramp plate. Mount approximately 3/4 of an inch below the brush weather seal retainer. The end of the upper bulb seal should be approximately 1/2 inch from the header. The upper bulb seal may overlap with the front seal. Lastly, install the lower bulb seal. Use a minimum of 4 Tek screws provided in the hardware kit. The mounting strip should be oriented down toward the pit floor. The mounting strip will make contact with the mounting strip in the front seal and upper seal. The lower seal should contact the bottom of the upper seal. For the installation of bulb seals on Kelly brand dock levelers, follow the steps for installing side bulb seals on Serco and Rite-Height brand dock levelers, with the exception that the vertical and lower bulb seals are recessed back from the front of the leveler due to the tapered toe guard. This is noted in the diagram shown. After properly installing the Energy Guard kit, the side bulb seals will be covering the existing safety instruction label affixed to the side of the dock leveler. A new safety label must be installed in the area between the side bulb seals that form a triangle. The new label will be applied over the existing labels. Clean the surface where the new label will be installed. Then, peel back the liner and apply the new label. The label must be completely visible. After installing the Energy Guard kit, visually inspect the dock leveler and perimeter of the dock leveler to ensure it is sealed properly and will perform well. Adjust or add seals as required. The Energy Guard retrofit kit, as installed, will give a complete perimeter seal, minimizing the transfer of energy into and out of a facility. APS Resource, your aftermarket solution.